Hey fellow coders, welcome back to another exciting coding adventure. I'm thrilled to dive into a cool Python project with you today. We're going to tackle something both practical and fun. Ever thought about automating the boring stuff? Well, let's start with something we all need at some point, a resume. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to code our very own resume generator. First up, let's talk structure. A well-structured code is the backbone of any successful project. In Python, we can neatly organize our resume using classes and functions. This not only makes our code clean, but also highly reusable. Imagine a class called Resume. It's like your personal data container, holding all the essentials from your name to your skills. Let's break this down step by step. I'll start by defining a resume class. This class will serve as the blueprint for our resume. Here, I'll initialize it with personal info like name, contact, and address. These are the basic building blocks of any resume. But that's not all. I'll also set up lists to store details about my education, work experience, and skills. These lists will help us keep everything organized and easily accessible. Next, it's time to fill in those details. This is where the magic happens. I'll create methods like add_education, add_work_experience, and add_skill. These methods will allow us to dynamically add information to our resume. These methods will help me inject relevant data into my resume. For instance, I can add my latest job role or a new skill I've acquired. For example, I can add my degree, the university I attended, and the year I graduated. This makes updating your resume a breeze. Now the best part, generating the resume. This is where all our hard work pays off. With all the data in place, I'll use the generate_resume method, which will format and output everything into a clean, readable format. This method will ensure our resume looks professional. Just imagine, with a few lines of code, we can create a professional-looking resume. It's efficient, and it saves a ton of time. To see this in action, let's run through a quick example. This will give you a clear idea of how everything comes together. I'll create an instance of my resume class, populating it with some dummy data. This will include basic information like name and contact details. Then I'll add a couple of educational qualifications, some work experiences, and a few key skills. This will make our resume comprehensive and detailed. Finally, I'll print out the resume. This is the moment of truth. The result? A crisp, auto-generated resume ready for any job application. It's that simple and effective. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to automate resume creation with Python. This project is a great example of how coding can simplify everyday tasks. Whether you're applying for jobs or just looking to streamline your life, coding can make things a lot easier. It's all about leveraging technology to our advantage. And remember, this is just a starting point. There's so much more you can do with this script. You can expand this script to include more features like different formats or even an interactive web version. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding. I hope you found this project as exciting as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more programming adventures. Your support means a lot. Until next time, keep coding, stay curious, and keep exploring new projects.